Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the scene and selecting the mesh you intend to remove. First, make sure you're in object mode for whole object deletion or edit mode for component deletion. Use your selection method, click or box select, and hold Shift to add multiple meshes. If the scene is cluttered, toggle local view with the / key to isolate the target. This prevents accidental deletes. Once selected, inspect the outliner to confirm the exact object name so you don't remove a hidden, important asset. Now you'll execute the deletion and choose the right method for your intent. Press X or delete and pick from the menu vertices, edges, faces, or whole objects, depending on mode. If you need to remove part of a mesh, use P to separate selected geometry into a new object, then delete that new object. This keeps the remainder intact. To fully free file size, go to the outliner or File Cleanup and purge orphan data. Blender often keeps mesh data blocks unless explicitly purged. Finish by verifying dependencies and cleaning up. Inspect modifiers, constraints, and parents because linked objects or children can prevent expected results. Unparent or apply modifiers if needed before deleting. Save an incremental version so you can revert. Use Ctrl+Z immediately if you deleted something unintentionally. If the mesh still appears due to orphan data blocks or linked libraries, use File Cleanup Purge All, or reopen the file. This forces Blender to drop unused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.